The nature of jobs and industries has taken a big shift in the last century, moving from manual labor and small production to mass production and assembly lines and finally robotics and software semi-automation. The world has gone through many industrial revolutions within 1 century only. AI, IoT, deep robotics and complete automation, the future, while very exciting, is going to make a lot of us irrelevant. And this is why we need to train our kids today to be prepared for this Industry 4.0 revolution. Introducing Avishkaar Tech Innovation Labs. Built by alumni from IIT, Microsoft and Adobe, we provide a complete and end-to-end solution for schools to teach next-gen tech skills like robotics, AI, coding, IoT and electronics to their students. The solution is built on 5 pillars. Number 1, a complete range of award-winning STEM.org accredited products that have patents in over 5 countries. Tweak and Codego series for ages 5+, MEC series for ages 8+, ER series for ages 10+, and finally MakerBoard series for ages 12+. Number 2, detailed curriculum and lesson plan based on the new education policy NEP 2020 from grades 3 to 12 with hundreds of hours of content which can be consumed by teachers and students through our online LMS available on desktops, tablets and mobiles. Number 3, teacher training and certification by our in-house experts and options to conduct in both offline and online. Number 4, an ecosystem of monthly and annual international competitions which has been conducted in over 5 countries so far. Seen participation from over hundreds of thousands of young innovators, prizes worth over rupees 10 lakhs distributed and sponsorship from Intel. Number 5, lifetime live online technical support from our experts so that you're supported throughout your journey. Avishkaar is the number 1 robotics company in India, having set up over 2,000 plus labs across the globe, which has inspired over 200,000 plus young tinkerers in 15 plus countries to innovate. So join hands with Avishkaar so we can together empower our kids to build a better tomorrow.